Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the host device so it can route traffic through the VPN. First, make sure your phone or laptop supports sharing its connection while running a VPN. Some carriers block tethering. Next, install and connect the VPN app and pick the server you need, because that determines IP and latency. Once connected, keep mobile data or the upstream network active. Do not switch networks yet. Now open Hotspot settings so you can configure SSID, password, and sharing mode before continuing. Once your VPN is live, you must bind the hotspot or shared adapter to that VPN tunnel. On Android, enable Always On VPN or use a third-party tethering app that respects the VPN route. On Windows, turn on Mobile Hotspot, then open Network Connections and enable Internet connection sharing on the VPN adapter, selecting the hosted network as the target. On Mac OS, choose Internet sharing from the VPN interface if available, or create a virtual router in a lightweight VM. Make sure DNS and firewall rules allow forwarded traffic. Now connect a client device to your hotspot and verify the public IP and location to confirm VPN routing. If the client shows your original ISP IP, make sure the VPN adapter is actually shared and that split tunneling is disabled so all traffic uses the tunnel. Also set DNS to the VPN provider or a secure resolver to avoid leaks. If things still fail, restart the VPN service and the hotspot, then recheck firewall and NAT settings. This simple reboot often resolves remaining binding issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.